So here we have the DJI Air 3S, the Fly More combo. You got to have the extra batteries. I have loved these drones. Right now, I currently have the regular Air 3. So this is a little bit of an upgrade. So we're going to do a first look. Comes with a nice carrying case. Everything kind of comes together in here. Got the propellers. Here's what we're really looking for. Get the drone. The capabilities on these are awesome. I love that they have the two cameras so you can punch into the 70 millimeter. So there it is right there. Looks good. Check it out. Love it. Can't wait to take this out and test it. So we got the smart controller as well. What's this? Some UV filters. Can't go wrong there. Here's the remote controller. You can find a lot of hard cases for these too. I prefer the hard case personally. I mean, you can find them for pretty much any drone nowadays. Let's see, here's the charger with the batteries. Alright, we got the two batteries here and then one inside the drone. It comes with extra propellers too, which is nice. On the Air 3, I've definitely had to replace a few, but just practice safe flights. That wouldn't be a problem. Yeah, there's all those. Fold it out just so you can kind of see for reference the size. It's a good size. It's not too big. I had a Mavic 2 before, so that was a little bit bigger. But I think this is a great size. It handles well in the wind. I'm excited. Gonna go test it out now.